Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download presentation branding from Canva Presentations, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to Canva's website. Log into your Canva account using your credentials. Once logged in, use the search bar at the top and type presentations. Select a presentation template that you want to customize. After selecting the template, click on it to open the design editor. In the Design Editor, look for the Brand tab on the left sidebar. Click on the Brand tab to access your branding options. If you haven't set up a brand kit, you can create one by clicking on Create a Brand Kit. Upload your brand logos, colors, and fonts as needed. Once your brand kit is set up, go back to your presentation design. To apply your brand elements, select the text or graphic you want to modify. In the toolbar above the design, you can change fonts to those from your brand kit. For colors, click on the color palette and choose from your brand colors. To add your logo, simply drag and drop it into the presentation from the Upload section. Position the logo in a corner or wherever it fits best within your design. After customizing your presentation with your branding, click the Share button in the top right corner. In the Share menu, select Download. Choose your desired file format, such as PDF or PNG. Click the Download button to save your branded presentation to your device. Your download will begin shortly, and you can find the file in your device's Downloads folder. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.